Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the project on automated door alarm using Aurdino UNO R3. So here as you can see I have already made the setup. I have already set my circuit and the components which I have used in the circuit are as follows. This is the Aurdino UNO R3 and this is a small breadboard mini. This is the ultrasonic distance sensor and let's start from this. In this ultrasonic sensor there are four pins that are VCC pin, trigger pin, echo pin and ground pins. As you can see, the ground pin over here from the ultrasonic distance sensor is connected to the ground pin of Aurdino UNO R3 board, and the VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the 5-volt pin of Aurdino UNO R3 board. The other two pins which I have left out, that are the trigger pin and the echo pin, are connected to the 10th pin of the Aurdino as well as to the 9th pin of Aurdino UNO R3 board respectively. So yes, over here the buzzer is also connected. The buzzer is also connected to the 11th pin of Aurdino UNO R3 board, as you can see. Here, by mistake, small correction. Let me correct it. Yes. So now, I think let's go to the code which I have organized. Over here, you can see the trigger pin is connected to the 9th pin of the Aurdino UNO board, as I have mentioned earlier. The echo pin is connected to the 10th pin of uh, Aurdino UNO board. Here, the echo pin, as you can see, the purple one. The buzzer to the 11th pin, as I've mentioned earlier. So now, if you will proceed further through a code, we can see that the trigger pin is the output. It gives us the output. The echo pin also gives us the no, sorry, echo pin takes the input and the buzzer gives the output. So yes, the buzzer gives the output. That is, it gives out an it gives a disturbing noise in order to alarm us when anyone crosses or anyone comes in between the distance which we have mentioned further over here. There is a 150 centimeters. I have mentioned there is a distance between that is a distance I have set as a safety distance from my door. If anyone in between crosses this distance, if anyone comes in between my door and that 150 distance, 150 centimeter distance, then the buzzer will make a disturbing noise. So, in order to alarm that someone is approaching to our house, okay. So, as you have seen over here, yes, safety distance is the distance which we are talking over here. And so let's start the, yeah, before starting the simulation, let me mention you about the serial monitor over here, present over here, which will give us the output. There is a distance. So when we start the simulation, I can make you understand like this. See here, let us say that the object which comes, which we are discussing over here, is this circular dot one, and you can see the distance over here is giving as 180 centimeters. That is, yes, further from the safety distance. Hence, the buzzer is not making any kind of sound. When the object comes nearby, like say 176, and now it has crossed 150. Hence, the buzzer, you can see the buzzer is making sound. Uh, the sound is being made, and here you can see the sign of the buzzer making the sound. I don't understand why the sound is not coming. So yes, and yes, when the distance is 127, the buzzer makes a sound, and you can see over here. I don't understand why the noise is not coming now. Might be some kind of technical error from the website itself. And when we take it further apart from the distance, that is, say, like 203, it has crossed the distance, safety distance. Hence, now you can see that the buzzer is not making any kind of sound. So yes, and you can after stopping the simulation, you can also hereby change uh, the amount, the distance, whatever you want to keep. Like now, say I am keeping it as 100 centimeters as my safety distance. That is the distance in between which I want to make the buzzer ring. That is, I want to make my house's alarm ring whenever anyone crosses or anyone comes in between the distance of 100 centimeters from the door of my house. So yes, here is the code, and here is the simulation, and this is the project which I am talking about. So thank you for watching till the end. Have a good day. Bye.